What up, y'all? It's Big Sherm. WhoopX2 has sent me a package. Let's check out what they have sent me from the kindness of good people over there. Let's see here. Gotta find something to cut this bad boy open. Huh? Of course, I put my key away, so now I don't have shit to open this with. Alright. So this was an unexpected package that they hooked me up with. They told me they were sending me some love during this coronavirus. I'm not even going to look in the box. I'm going to pull things out one at a time. Or attempt to, at least. So first off, this is amazing. Make the underground great again. Love it.
Dope.
It looks like a Glitter Gang shirt, possibly. It says, half of you are dust and you don't even know it yet. I guess this is their logo for Make the Underground Great Again. That's pretty fresh. Welcome to the Underground Lanyard. Funny story, I'm actually a big 311 fan, so this is pretty dope. Little postcard. Hot hand warmers. Let's see. Just randomness. Well, Don did send me this, so he sent me a Ringmaster booklet. He knows Ringmaster is my card of choice. Whoa. Dr. Octagon, Dr. Octagonologist tape. A Make Underground Great Again hat. I could sport that. That's fresh. I'm sure some of the Trump people would probably be pissed, but whatever. I got some raffle tickets. I got to find out what the story is behind those. But I got some WhoopX2 You Got My Money Motherfucker poker chips. As well as Make Underground Great Again poker chip. That's awesome. Again, I love the Ringmaster. Tales from the Totes. That's fresh, Don. I like these, man. You did good on that. Dealer for poker chip. That's awesome. I sense a theme there. Poker and dealer hand. Another one of those lovely hat pins there. I really got to find out the deal with these raffle tickets. I got about 4 of them so far that I've spotted. And that looks like everything. Oh. A Clips patch. Let me make sure I didn't overlook anything. Looks like everything. WhoopX2, thank you. For Juggalos, by Juggalos is how I do. Keeping the underground as great as we can. You guys have a good one. Peace.